In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an email by date in Microsoft Outlook. Managing your inbox can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when emails keep piling up from different sources like work, subscriptions, and personal messages. However, by organizing your emails based on date, you can quickly locate the messages you need and stay on top of your communication more efficiently. This simple method can make a big difference in how you handle your daily emails. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer, or access it through your web browser if you're using the online version. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken directly to your inbox. This is where all your emails are stored, including both read and unread messages. From here, you can begin organizing your emails to make searching easier. Next, direct your attention to the top section of your inbox, just below the search bar. Here, you'll find a filter option, which is often represented by a funnel icon. This feature allows you to sort and organize your emails based on different criteria. Go ahead and click on this filter option to reveal the available settings. After opening the filter menu, you'll see several ways to arrange your emails. For this task, focus on the option that allows you to sort messages by date. Select the setting that organizes emails by date, and Outlook will immediately rearrange your inbox. Once applied, your emails will be sorted so that the most recent messages appear at the top. This makes it much easier to identify new emails as they come in, especially if you receive a large volume of messages every day. By viewing your inbox in this order, you can quickly prioritize recent communications and avoid missing anything important. This approach is particularly helpful when you're expecting a specific email or trying to review messages from a certain time frame. Instead of scrolling endlessly, sorting by date allows you to focus on the most relevant emails right away, and that's all there is to it. With just a few simple actions, you can organize your inbox by date and make it easier to find the emails you need. Keeping your inbox structured not only saves time, but also helps reduce the stress of managing a busy email account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.